Theoretical physics has reached an impasse. Our standard models are failing to reconcile the macro and the micro. From the Hubble tension to the cusp core crisis, the math of empty space is breaking.
But 95% of the universe isn't missing. We have simply misidentified the substrate. The Geometric Thaw framework re-ontologizes the vacuum not as a void, but as a macroscopic viscoelastic quantum superfluid.
By unifying the Einstein field tensor with Gross-Pitaevsky hydrodynamics, we replace the dark sector with the deterministic fluid mechanics of a thermodynamic phase transition. The math of general relativity is now the math of the metric melting.
Report 24 provides the bridge. Because fluid dynamics are scale invariant, the macroscopic anomalies of the cosmos can be perfectly modeled, tested, and validated in tabletop Bose-Einstein condensates.
Protocol 1. The hadronization limit. Utilizing Report 24, we prove the Yang-Mills mass gap is the latent heat of topological strain released when quantized vortex tethers snap. This transitions particle physics from abstract field theory to mechanical proof. Protocol 2. The sonic horizon. Report 23 extracted a Kolmogorov turbulent cascade from LIGO ring-down telemetry. We now call on labs to replicate this in BECs, proving event horizons are physical phase boundaries, not mathematical singularities.
Protocol 3. Impurity drag. Reports 2 and 3 prove that dark matter is an illusion of metric viscosity. By dragging laser impurities through a BEC, we can measure the superfluid Reynolds number spike that flattens galactic rotation curves.
This isn't just theory. Report 6 reinterprets LHC missing energy as the latent heat consumed by the vacuum metric during phase transitions. CERN hasn't found supersymmetry because it was looking for particles instead of melting geometry. Reports 20 and 21 resolve the 7 sigma proton radius puzzle. The massive muon's melted metric wake applies non-conservative fluid drag on the proton, physically compressing it by exactly 0.0366 femtoliters. Finally, Report 25 shatters the concept of absolute time. Archival data from GSI and Purdue prove that radioactive half-lives are not immutable. As the sun's engine melts the local metric, the weak nuclear force accelerates. Time is a thermodynamic variable. The laboratory roadmap is live. We have the data, we have the math, and we have the protocols. We are now seeking collaboration with experimental laboratories to execute these validations and transition physics from the whiteboard to the benchtop. The thaw has begun. Visit geometricthaw.com to download the roadmap and contact the author for collaboration.